Hi guys, Ms. Hernandez here. We're going to be taking a look at Newton's second law today, which is the law of force and acceleration. So take a look at the definition. Acceleration is produced when a force acts on a mass. The greater the mass of the object, the greater the force needed. So just think about that. If you've got, like the picture, you have two different masses. You've got the little kid here, and you've got the adult here. So which one would take more force to move? Well, it's going to take more force to move the adult because they have a greater mass. And it's going to take less force to move the kid because the kid has a smaller mass. The formula that goes along with this is force equals mass times acceleration. And there's also a formula triangle. So force always goes on top, mass and acceleration, because they're multiplied, are on the bottom. You still have your matching colors multiply, different colors divide. Your force is always in newtons, your mass could be kilograms or grams, and then your acceleration is always meters per second squared. So if you see the squared with it, that's acceleration. If it just says meters per second, that's speed. The squared always indicates acceleration. 1 Newton is equal to the force required to accelerate 1 kilogram of mass at 1 meter per second squared. So this is a representation with the formula of what we saw with the picture with the kid in the wagon. So smaller mass, if you have a small mass and you have a force here, it's going to accelerate at a greater rate. If you have a large mass and you have the same force, the acceleration is going to be much less. Same force is applied, the mass changes, so the acceleration changes. Large mass, small acceleration, small mass, great acceleration. All right, so let's take a look at an example here. How much force is needed to accelerate a 1,400 kilogram car 2 meters per second squared? So we're looking for force. Let's put our triangle in. Okay. Our mass goes here. Our acceleration goes here. Since they're matching colors, you multiply. Oops. And your answer is 2,800 newtons. Let's take a look at another example. Okay. This guy is suggesting that you drop a 50 kilogram bag of rocks onto a seesaw to launch your friend into the air. So 50 kilograms is our mass. Our acceleration is the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared. That will go here. When you multiply those two, you get your force of 490 newtons. All right, that's just a couple of examples. Go back and rewatch the video if you missed anything.